Hi friends, today I am going to review about Bajaj Avenger 150, the world cheapest cruiser bike in the nowadays market. The cruiser, when it comes to Harley Davidson Fat Bob, Honda Rebel 300, Honda Rebel 500, and other cruisers, they are very expensive. You can buy this nearly $1,000. This is the heart of the bike. The bike is powered by 150cc single cylinder 2-valve engine. In Bajaj Avenger, they use carburetor system for fuel injection, and they use dual plug burning fuel burning system. And the dual plug system burn more efficiency than other single plug systems. When we come to rider seat and passenger seat, the rider seat is more comfortable. You can ride 50 70 50 and 70 kilometers without any back pain. When we come to passenger seat, this is the aftermarket passenger seat, handmade, and also the windshield is aftermarket. In Bajaj Avenger 150, they use front brake for disc brake system and the rear brake for drum brake system. Now we go to get the exhaust note of the bike. Let's talk about dimensions of this bike. The length of bike is 2177 millimeters. The width of the bike 861 millimeters. The ground clearance is 169 millimeter. When we compare to dual sport and other endurance category bike, there are low ground clearance, but in my own experience, their ground clearance is enough to go whatever you want. Let's compare pros and cons of this bike. The bike has best mileage in this category, 45 kilometer per liter, and also the bike is little bit heavy to compare to other bikes. 148 kilogram heavy, this bike. The major drawback of this bike is the bike has a little engine, 150cc little engine. Sometimes in some cases, when you ride with a heavy package or the two passengers, the bike has no pickup, and it's hard to get maximum speed, and also the bike has accurate practical top speed 105 to 110. The other drawback is you can only see speedometer and fuel gauge meter and trip meter. You can't get the RPM meter. The design of the bike is very classic look and worth for money, that design. In Bajaj Avenger 150 there is a wet multiplate clutch system. When we comes to the riding position of the bike, it's very comfortable than the other that range bikes. Next I talk about aftermarket parts of the bike. The side box is very useful for go long trips with heavy weight. It's very useful, and also the windshield is very useful when we ride in very windy condition and rainy days. It's very useful. Mostly cruisers use for very long trips. The accelerator helper device is very useful when you go to 1000 or 2000 kilometer long distance trip. Thanks for watching my video. Next time I get a different kind of a touring or cruiser bike.